High-performing teams, from stormy seas to smooth sailing. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Silk Road Vibes channel. We are here to help you. Have a special request? Send us an email. And as always, screenshot the helpful tips page at the end of the video. Today, I'm going to walk you through the secret sauce of what makes a team not just function, but fly. Ready to set sail? Let's go.
So, why talk about high-performing teams now? Because in times of pressure, that's where psychological safety comes in. It's not a buzzword. It's the fuel. It's the sense that I can speak up, share an idea, even admit a mistake. And I won't be punished for it. Without that, forget performance. Forget innovation.
To excel in today's landscape, focus on aligning team goals and enhancing performance. Identify key priorities that drive success, such as fostering collaboration, setting clear objectives, and leveraging individual strengths. Address challenges by promoting adaptability and continuous learning, ensuring your team is equipped to seize opportunities and achieve peak performance.
Start with psychological safety. Your team cannot perform long-term unless they feel safe. Here's a quick psychological safety roadmap you can use to gauge your team's readiness level. Check the team temperature. When pressure's on, is it easy in your team to speak up, learn from mistakes, expose problems, feel valued? If your answer is not really, you're not alone. The teams that accelerate performance have dialogue, trust, and shared courage. The ones that drag, they operate in silence and stress. So ask yourself, is there a pattern in your team? And where should you start leading differently? Take a look at this list and ask yourself what is easy for your team to do and what is still hard for your team and needs to be further developed. Create your own action plan.
Here is a quick reminder before we go through each stage with helpful tips. Take a look at each and decide what you might want to try for your team. Now let's talk about the natural stages every team goes through, virtually or not. Forming, everyone's polite, unsure, looking for signals. Storming, here come the conflicts, tension, power plays. Norming, things click, roles settle, trust builds. Performing, the dream team zone, fast, fluid, focused. Every team moves through these, and smart leaders know what to do and when. Oh, forming. Welcome to the team, where everyone's polite, a little cautious, and not sure who's doing what. Your job as a leader? Set the tone, define roles, build trust, and make it safe to speak up early. Because what you model now becomes the culture later.
Storming. This is where the fireworks begin. In the storming stage, egos clash, roles blur, and people test boundaries. Don't panic. This is normal. Your job? Facilitate healthy conflict. Set ground rules. Coach, don't control. The goal isn't peace, it's progress through truth. Norming. Now we're getting somewhere. In the norming stage, the team starts clicking. Roles are clearer, conflict is handled better, and trust is growing. Your job? Celebrate wins, share best practices, keep the momentum going by reinforcing what's working and coaching quietly behind the scenes.
Performing. This is the sweet spot. In the performing stage, the team runs like a well-oiled machine. People anticipate each other, take initiative, and deliver results with agility. Your job now? Challenge, delegate, innovate. Don't coast, elevate. Great teams need stretch to stay sharp.
So here's the bottom line. Every team, including yours, is somewhere on that development curve. Forming, storming, norming, or performing. And every stage has its unique leadership opportunity. Ignore the stage, and you'll likely feel stuck. But lean into it, you accelerate performance. Pick just one or two of the leadership tips I shared for your current stage. Try them this week. Watch what changes. Because real transformation doesn't come from theory. It comes from experiments, iteration, practice.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.